Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to discuss a new concept and last concept of the chapter matrices, that is elementary operations or elementary transformations. Elementary operations means the operations which are used on or apply on rows and columns of a matrix. The operations which are used on the rows of a matrix are called elementary row operations, and the operations which are used on columns of a matrix are called elementary column operations. I hope all of you understanding. And these operations are used to find the inverse of a square matrices. So totally there exist six different elementary operations, among which three are of row operations and three are of column operations. Let us see one by one. First elementary operation is interchanging of any two rows or any two columns. Interchanging of any two rows or any two columns. That is interchanging of ith row means ri. Ri ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ith row. Interchanging with jth row means rj. Ri interchanging with rj. For example, interchanging of first and second rows can be written as r1 interchanging. R1 means first row. Interchanging with second row means R2. Similarly, interchanging of ith column with jth column. Interchanging of ith column with jth column can be written as Ci. Interchanging with Cj. For example, interchanging of second and third columns can be written as second column C2, interchanging with third column C3. And the second elementary operations is multiplying the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar k. What is the second elementary operation? Multiplying the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar k. That is multiplying the elements of ith row ri by a non-zero scalar k means k into ri. It means what? Elements of the ith row are multiplied with non-zero scalar k can be written as ri implies k into ri. For example, multiplying the elements of first row means r1 by a non-zero scalar 2 can be written as r1 implies 2 into r1. Similarly, multiplying the elements of jth column by a non-zero scalar k can be written as Cj implies k into Cj. For example, multiplying the elements of second column by a non-zero scalar 4 can be written as C2 implies 4 into C2. Now the third elementary operation is multiplying the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar k, same, and then adding to the corresponding elements of any other row or any other column. Third elementary operation is multiplying the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar k and adding them to the corresponding elements of any other row or any other column. That is, multiplying the elements of ith row by a non-zero scalar k means Ri implies Kri, and these resulting elements are adding to the corresponding elements of jth row, can be written as Ri implies Kri plus Rj. For example, multiplying the elements of second row by a non-zero scalar 3 into R2, and the resulting elements are adding to the corresponding elements of third row. Similarly, the elements of the ith column are multiplied by a non-zero scalar k, means Ci implies k into Ci, and the resulting elements are adding to the corresponding elements of jth column. That is, Ci implies k into Ci plus Cj. For example, elements of the first column are multiplied with 3, means C1 implies 3 into C1, and these resulting elements are adding to the corresponding elements of C2, can be written as C1 implies 3C1 plus C2. I hope all of you understood. This is the way of writing elementary row operations and elementary column operations. So these three, first, second and third, are the operations which are used on rows of a matrix, and these operations are called as elementary row operations. And these three, 1, 2, 3, are the operations which are used on columns of a matrix. And these three operations are called as elementary column operations. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. So let us consider an example. Find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary operations. So to find the inverse of this matrix A, we may use elementary row operations or elementary column operations. On exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. Which operations are going to use to find the inverse of a matrix, that depends upon you. Which is the easiest for you, you may use that one. So now I am going to find the inverse of this matrix by using elementary row operations as well as elementary column operations. ಎರಡೂ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. First I am going to use elementary row operations. To find the inverse of the matrix A by using elementary row operations, there is a particular procedure, and the procedure is given by, first we need to write an equation, and that equation is A is equals to IA matrix, where I is a unit matrix whose order is same as order of the matrix A. ಈ equation ನಾನು invertible matrices ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. If I multiply matrix A with the unit matrix, answer A matrix itself only. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. As well as we also discussed one more equation when we are discussing inverse of a matrix. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? AB is equals to BA is equals to I matrix. Then the matrix B is called as inverse of the matrix A, and we write it as A inverse is equals to B matrix. So hence, to find inverse of this given matrix A, we need to convert this equation in the form of I is equals to BA form. So this equation convert to which form? I is equals to BA form. Then Obviously, this B matrix is called as inverse of the matrix A. To convert this equation to this form, we use what? Elementary row operations. Elementary row operations. So let us start. First, we need to write the equation. A is equals to IA, where the matrix A is given 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is equals to I is a unit matrix whose order is same as order of the matrix A, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 into matrix A as it is. So this is the procedure to find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary row operation. Now we need to convert this in which form? I is equals to B matrix into A matrix. Then this B matrix is called as inverse of the matrix A. So for that we are going to use the elementary row operations. To convert this matrix which is present on LHS to unit matrix, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಇನ್ R2, ಈ 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಇನ್ R1. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 is present in R1 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? To make this element 0 we need to use the corresponding element. Corresponding element ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1. To make this element 0 we need to use the corresponding element present in second row, that is -1. ಇದು 2 ಅದ, ಇದು -2 ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 - 2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಲಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 2 - 2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ R1 ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ R1 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು. R1 ದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಈಗ -2 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿದಕ್ಕ R2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ 2 into R2. ಈಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 2 -2 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ -2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ದೆನ್ 2 - 2 is equals to 0. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಒನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲದ ಇನ್ R2. To make this element is equals to 0 we use the corresponding element present in R1. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೋ 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ. ಸೊ R2 ದಾಗ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಸೊ R2 ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ R2 ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? 2 ಅದ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. 2 - 2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore R2 as it is. ಇದು 2 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಲಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. therefore 2 into R2 as it is. 2 into what? R1. 2 - 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು +2 ಅದ, -2 ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 2 - 2 is equals to 0. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕೈತೀನಿ? I is equals to BA ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Now, so this is equal to, so first matrix is equals to operation ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. first operation is R1 implies R1 plus 2R2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದದ? R2 implies R2 minus 2R1 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ R1 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದದ? 1 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? R1 in place of r1 ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ 1 plus 2 as it is into r2 ಈ 1 ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು 2 ಅದ 2 so therefore 1 implies 1 plus 4 1 as it is 2 into 2 4 1 plus 4 is 5 so ಈ 1 ಏನಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ 5 by using this operation therefore in place of 1 ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು 5 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು r1 ದಾಗ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಯಾವ್ದದ 2 ಅದ 2 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು so 2 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ again using same operation so we are changing the elements in r1 therefore we are going to use this first row operation r1 ದಾಗ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದದ 2 implies r1 is 2 plus as it is 2 into r2 corresponding elements of this r2 is minus 1 therefore 2 implies 2 plus into minus minus 2 into 1 2 so 2 minus 2 is equals to 0 2 ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು 0 therefore 0 here and we need to apply the same operations which are used on LHS side on RHS also ಇಲ್ಲಿ LHS ನ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಅವೇ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ RHS ಸೈಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because this I matrix is converted to one other matrix that is what B matrix again ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 so 1 implies 1 ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ by using this operation r1 is 1 plus 2 as it is r2 corresponding element of r2 is 0 so 1 implies 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0 answer is equals to 1 so 1 as it is 1 and now we need to change this 0 by using this operation so 0 is also present in r1 in place of r1 and 0 implies r1 is 0 plus 2 into r2 corresponding element of this 0 in r2 is 1 either corresponding ಯಾವುದು r2 ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಅದ so 2 into 1 which is equals to 0 as it is plus 2 into 1 is 2 so therefore 0 implies 0 plus 2 is 2 0 ಏನಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ 2i therefore in place of 0 2 I hope all of you understanding now we need to change the r2 by using this operation the first element of r2 is 2 so 2 implies again r2 as it is 2 implies minus 2 into r1 corresponding element of 2 in r1 is 1 so either corresponding element of 1 or 1 r1 ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ 1 so therefore 2 implies 2 minus 2 into 1 2 2 minus 2 is equals to 0 therefore 2 changes as 0 in place of 2 0 and similarly one more element present in this r2 that is what minus 1 so in place of r2 minus 1 implies r2 minus 1 minus 2 into r1 corresponding element of this minus 1 in r1 is 2 na idr corresponding element of 2 so in place of r1 2 therefore minus 1 implies minus 1 as it is minus as it is 2 into 2 4 so minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 therefore minus 1 changes as minus 5 therefore in place of minus 1 we need to write minus 5 now the same operations will be applied on RHS side also ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದದ 0 r2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ present ಇರೋ element 0 r2 as it is 0 minus 2 into r1 minus 2 as it is into r1 means corresponding element of 0 in r1 is 1 so 1 therefore 0 implies 0 minus 2 into 1 is 2 hence 0 is changing as minus 2 so in place of 0 we need to write minus 2 and the last element in r2 is 1 now 1 implies same again r2 1 minus 2 as it is now r1 corresponding element of 1 in r1 is 0 therefore 0. Hence 1 implies 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore 1 implies 1 only. The 1 another as it is 1 by using this operation. Now ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. I is equals to BA ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ 5 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ -5 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ -5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ this 5 is present in which row, R1. Therefore R1 is changing as R1 divided by 5. And R2 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, R2 divided by -5. Therefore this matrix is equals to 5 divided by 5 1, 0 divided by 5 0, 0 divided by 5 0, sorry -5 0. R2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. And -5 divided by -5, -5 get cancelled, 5 by 5 1, which is equals to again RHS side R1 divided by 5 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5, R1 divided by 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 5. And similarly R2 divided by -5 ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -2 divided by -5, minus get cancelled, 2 by 5. And 1 divided by -5, so 1 divided by -5 is same as -1 by 5 into ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ matrix A into matrix A, here also into matrix A. Now this is a I matrix is equals to ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು matrix ಅದ, it is represented as B or it is defined by B into what, A matrix. Now this is in which form, I is equals to BA form. We convert A is equals to IA equation to the I is equals to BA form. Hence this B matrix is called as inverse of the matrix A. Therefore A inverse is equals to what, B matrix. Hence A inverse is equals to matrix B en baldada 1 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and -1 by 5. Or you may write matrix A inverse is equals to 1 by 5 na common ತಕೋಬಹುದು. If I take 1 by 5 as a common, remaining element 1, here 2, here also 2, here -1. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the inverse of this same matrix A by using elementary column operations. By using what? Elementary column operations. Here also there exists a particular procedure. To find the inverse of this matrix A by using elementary column operations, first we need to write an equation. A is equals to AI. ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, when we are finding inverse of a matrix by using elementary row operations ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A is equals to IA ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ, I is equals to BA ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, elementary row operations. And this matrix B is considered as what, inverse of the matrix A. Here also same thing, we need to convert this equation to the form I is equals to A into B matrix by using what, elementary column operations. and then this matrix B is called inverse of this matrix A. So let us start. First we need to write the equation. A is equals to AI, and matrix A is given 1 2 2 minus 1 is equals to A as it is into I is a unit matrix whose order is same as order of the given matrix A. 1 0 0 1. To convert this matrix A to unit matrix ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು, and ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. We need to write such type of elementary column operations now. So ಈ 2 ಎಲ್ಲದ C1, so C1 ದಾಗ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, therefore C1 changes to. To make this element is equals to 0, we need to use the corresponding element in C2. C2 ಒಳಗೆ corresponding element of 2 ಏನದ -1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು -2 ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 - 2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಾಗಿ 2 ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ C1 ದಾಗ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇದು -2 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇಂಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಇನ್ C2, therefore 2 into C2. ಸೊ 2 - 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ -2 ಅದ, ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿ 2 - 2 0. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ C1 changes to C1 plus 2C2. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ C2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. To make this element is equals to 0, we need to use the corresponding element in C1. ಯಾವುದದ 1 ಅದ. ಈ 1 ಇರೋದು 2 ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 - 2 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಲಮ್? C2. ಸೊ C2 changes to C2 ದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ನೇ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2 - 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು 2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ C2 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ C1 ದನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂಟು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, 2 - 2 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ C. 0 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 2 - 2 is 0. I hope all of you understanding. Now C ಅದ. We are converting to the form of I is equals to what? AB form ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Now, so what is the first operation? C1 implies C1 plus 2C2, which is equals to, the first element in C1 is 1. So therefore 1 changes to C1, 1 plus 2 into C2. Corresponding element of this 1 in C2 is 2. Therefore 2 into 2, which is equals to 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. By using this operation, 1 changes to what? 5. Therefore, in place of 1, 5. And similarly, 2 is also present in C1. Therefore, 2 changes to C1, 2 plus 2 into C2. C2 means corresponding element of 2 in C2 is -1. In place of C2, minus, which is equals to 2 plus into minus, minus 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore 2 changes to 0. Hence in place of 2, 0. And now ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿವಿ? C2 changes to C2 minus 2C1. So we need to use this operation to changes the elements in second column. Now operation ಏನಿದೆ? C2 implies C2 minus 2C1. The first element in C2 is what? 2. So 2 changes to C2 is 2 minus 2 into C1. Corresponding element of this 2 in C1 is 1. Therefore 1, which is equals to 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore 2 changes to what? 0. Hence in place of 2, 0. Similar. -1. -1 implies C2 -1. -2 into C1. C1 means corresponding element of this -1 in C1 is 2. Therefore 2. Which is equals to -1 as it is minus 2 into 2 4. -1 minus 4 is -5. Therefore -1 changes to -5. -5. Which is equals to A matrix. Into this matrix again first column second column. To change the elements of first column we need to use this operation. Therefore first element of C1 in RHS is 1. 1 changes to C1 1 other 1 plus 2 into C2. Corresponding element of this 1 in C2 is 0. 2 into 0 which is equals to 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0 which is equals to 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore 1 changes to 1. Hence in place of 1, 1. And second element in C2 is 0. So therefore C1 implies 0 implies C1 plus C1 means 0 plus 2 into C2 2 as it is. C2 means corresponding element of 0 in C2 is 1 1 which is equals to, so 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Therefore 0 changes to 2. Hence in place of 0 2. And now for the elements in second column we need to use this operation. So first element in second column on RHS is 0. C2 0 implies C2 0 minus 2 into C1 means corresponding element of this 0 in C1 is 1 1 which is equals to 0 minus 2 into 1 is 2 which is equals to what? Minus 2. Therefore 0 changes to minus 2. Hence in place of 0 minus 2. And similarly 1 changes to C2 means 1 1 minus 2 into C1. C1 means corresponding element of this 1 in C1 is 0. So 0 which is equals to 1 as it is. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore 1 changes to 1. Hence in place of 1 1 only. As it is as it is. Now what next? To convert the matrix A to unit matrix. ಇದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ -5 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದ? C1. -5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ? C2. So C1 implies. So when we are using the column operations, we must and should use column operations only. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, row and column operations. So here we are using which operations? Column operations. Therefore C1 implies. C1 ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ? 5. ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. So C1 divided by 5. And similarly C2 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅದ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ? -2. Therefore C2 implies C2 divided by -5. Therefore now this matrix is equals to C1 5 divided by 5 1 0 divided by 5 0. C2 0 divided by -5 0. -5 divided by -5 minus get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, 1 which is equals to A into matrix C1 1 divided by 5 1 by 5. 2 divided by 5 2 by 5. Similarly C2 -2 divided by -5 minus get cancelled, 2 by 5 2 by 5. And 1 divided by -5 or -1 divided by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋ. Now this is of the form ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ I is equals to A and this matrix is defined as B. Now, if I is equals to AB, this P matrix is called as inverse of the matrix A, which implies that A inverse is equals to B matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equals to B matrix 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Therefore, A inverse is equals to, you may take 1 by 5 as common here. 1 by 5 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1. You may observe inverse of matrix A is same if you are using elementary column operations or if you are using elementary row operations. You may check elementary row operations in the find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ A inverse matrix ಇದೇ ಬಂದದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. I hope all of you understood today's class. For that, take this question as your assignment. Here the question is, by using elementary operations, find the inverse of this matrix. So find the inverse of this matrix by using elementary row operations as well as elementary column operations use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.